Looking for an easy way to upgrade your car entertainment system? Check out the 10-inch Android car monitor from AliExpress. This headrest monitor is designed to bring smart features and entertainment right to your car. First, let us talk about the display. It features a 10.1-inch 2.5D IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels, delivering clear visuals for movies, apps, and games. This monitor runs on the Android system, so you can download and install your favorite apps from the Google Play Store. Enjoy streaming platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify, or play games directly on the screen. Connectivity is simple and versatile. It supports smartphone link for both iPhone and Android devices, so you can mirror your phone easily. Plus, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi for internet access and Bluetooth for wireless audio connection. Storage is expandable up to 128 GB via USB or microSD, giving you plenty of space for videos and music. It also includes a built-in speaker, multiple language support, and plug-and-play installation for most cars. Just attach it to the headrest and you are ready to go. If you want a smart, stylish, and easy-to-install entertainment upgrade, the 10-inch Android car monitor from AliExpress is the perfect choice.